Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to claim Category A PDUs on the PMI website for our products. It doesn't matter whether you are trying to claim PDUs for the PM Prepcast, the Agile Prepcast, or the PDU podcast. The process is the same for all three because they all give you Category A PDUs. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website here, which is ccrs.pmi.org. And once you're here, you want to log in to the PMI website. It'll take you back to the page after your login has been processed here. And now you can actually see what your current information is. For example, I am in good standing with PMI. I can tell you already that I have 6.75 PDUs applied for my next renewal cycle. So if I want to report PDUs, I click here on Report PDUs on the left-hand side. And now I simply have to follow the steps provided by PMI. Like I said, we want to submit Category A PDUs for PM Prepcast, Agile Prepcast, or PDU podcast. And activity type, I want to find an activity, course, or event. And once you do that, you wonder why is nothing happening. Yeah, I did that too the first time. Then I realized, oh, I have to click next here at the bottom. This takes me to step 2. Now you want to search for the activity that you are going to claim PDUs for. And the fastest way to find the Agile Prepcast, the PDU Prepcast, or the PM Prepcast is by simply putting Prepcast into here and clicking on search, and now it'll show you the Agile Prepcast here or the PM Prepcast down here with 37 PDUs or 35 PDUs. Of course, if you look for the PDU podcast, each of our PDU certificates has the appropriate activity number on the certificate, so you would just search for that. So let's claim 37 PDUs here for the Agile Prepcast as an example. I'm clicking on this, and the good news is PMI already knows everything they need to know about the Agile Prepcast. So all that you have to do is you have to input the date when you started and the date when you completed this particular course. Date started, why don't you put in the date when you watched your first lesson of the Agile Prepcast? And date completed, here I suggest that you put in the date on which you passed the final exam. So January 1st here and January 31st here. PDUs claimed 37 already filled in for you. All you have to do now is you have to agree that this claim is accurate and then submit it. I'm not going to submit it because I can personally not claim these PDUs, of course. I cannot take my own course and claim PDUs for it, but you would need to click submit and then you are pretty much done. You will then receive several emails from PMI saying that this has been submitted, this is in the queue to be approved. They will then approve it, and once that is done, you will be able to see on your overview here that the 37 PDUs have been added to your account. And that's how simple it is to claim PDUs for the PM Prepcast, the Agile Prepcast, or the PDU podcast on the PMI's CCRS website. Thank you very much, and until next time.